Hi guys, so I'm here at Luther Agencies. I just wanted to give a brief, basically about essential accessories that are needed on the cycle. Okay, a lot of people come to me and they're like, when they buy a cycle, it's like, okay, I want a mud guard, I want a bell, I want a bottle holder, I want a lock, I want a seat cover. That is the only five accessories. Apart from that, there are a whole set of accessories that is actually like very important for the bike. So today I'm going to talk about the Bontrager Iron 100R Flare R City. Look at these lights. They are basically daytime running lights. So you have one, the white ones are for the front and the red are for the rear. Now I'll be just putting a link so you can actually see the video and attaching a small video on it itself. Why is daytime running lights important? People say that I usually don't ride in the mornings or afternoons, or I just ride in the night, or if I ride in the morning it's probably for an hour, but you do ride, right? So night rides, obviously it's visibility. What about the day? You have a lot of people in India who just are on the phone or are busy talking or looking here and there, so visibility becomes zero when you don't have any lights on your bike. When you have lights at the front and the rear, visibility increases. People tend to see you more. It's especially when the lights, the flashy ones, when you put on that the flash mode, so it blinks. So when it blinks, it's eye catchy. So the person who's driving or riding a bike or whatever it is can actually see you. The main thing about Bontrager lights, yes, they are pretty expensive, but there is a but in there, that these lights they cover up to 2 kilometers. So normal जो 150 या whatever 150-200 की जो lights रहते हैं, not even थोड़ा सा distance cover होता है, but these Bontrager lights they cover up to 2 kilometers, so you know how far that is. यहाँ पे if I show you the demo, the lights will actually won't be so visible, so I'll attach a video, another one which will actually see the benefits of these lights. And see, the costing for this is around 4,599, so 4,600. But then again, likewise, how helmets are important for your head and for your brain. Accident prone, like 80% of the accidents, yes, they happen in daytime. Like a lot of people say night light, nothing like that. Night driving is in fact a little, or night cycling should I say, is much more safer than day cycling. Day cycling, there's a flow of traffic, lot of flow of traffic, people looking here, there, people busy on the phone, people are running to their offices, people looking here and there, finding places. So whatever visibility is there, it actually contracts. So you can have a look at the Bontrager lights online. I'll attach the link also and run through it. Apart from these are it's a set. So it's the rear and the front, both are there. In case you don't want the full set, so 3399, that is 3,400 May, you get this one. So this is, if I flash it, so this is the white light. The white light basically is in front, so you can see the flashiness. I won't put it too much, otherwise it will be quite disturbing. And then if you want the tail light, that is for 3,000. So this is the red one. I won't flash it and make it more vicious. So we have either you want the tail, or you take the front light, or you take the set. Now whatever you take lights. Lights are very important while cycling, whether be it early morning, be it in the daytime, or be it at night. My next video will be on the benefits of wearing a helmet. So I won't stretch further on this video. My main purpose was lights. Yeah, mudguard, bell, bottle holder, lock, seat cover. This is okay, it's a basic thing, but what about the essential things? Your helmet, your lights, your gloves, your cycling shorts which gives you comfort. There are so many, I cannot name it, but there are lots and lots of accessories. You can customize your bike. Before anything is your safety. So if you want to buy from me Bontrager lights, I have the the availability of the lights as well. If you want to buy normal lights also, if you don't want to spend so much, so I have Firefox as well, I have Phantom bike lights as well. But again, these are the lights that you need. It's small, but it's the impact is huge for it. So thanks guys for watching, and I look forward to everyone in the city of Nasik having these lights. They are very 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 important. Achha, one additional thing what I want to say is, these lights, okay, or any Bontrager product for sale, has a 30-day unconditional guarantee. That anything whatsoever happens to your light, it can be replaced. That is not only for lights. You buy Bontrager pumps, you buy fenders, you buy helmets, you buy whatever you want of Bontrager. So you have that 30-day unconditional guarantee. What is a speciality about Trek bikes? So whenever I'm on the road and I see someone with lights, I'm gonna click pictures of you guys and post it on my page. And yes, further on I expect that at least 90% of the population use bicycle lights while cycling. And keep it that as a priority whenever you buy a new cycle, or you want to or you're revamping your old cycle. Make sure you have lights on your bike. Yeah, thanks guys.